Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a user of an Apple device, it's time to update your devices. There are two 0 days exploded in the wild that are affecting Apple devices. Both are in WebKit, and basically they are very important to fix as it is already exploded in the wild. And of course, Apple is releasing emergency updates for that reason. The affected devices are the iPhone XS and later, the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, second generation and later, the iPad Pro 10.5 inch, iPad Pro 11 inch, first generation and later, iPad Air third generation and later, iPad 6th generation and later, and iPad mini 5th generation and later. Also, all Macs that are running macOS Monterey, Ventura, or Sonoma are affected. All of these devices will get an update to fix the two 0-day flaws that are affecting the devices. And they create out-of-bounds error problems that make basically an attacker gives the access for total control of your device to do what they want. And this marks 20 0 days on Apple devices so far this year. We still got December, but 20 0 days in 2023 that were found on Apple devices. I think it shows that there's an increase in basically, hackers trying to find flaws on Mac devices because there's a possibility there of, making money. Of course, that's always the reason why. And we know that some of these could be state-sponsored also because a lot of states will use iPhones rather than Android phones for their communications within, say, the different government infrastructure. And, that's another way of getting into the governments. So fix your devices by updating them is very important as 2 0 days are exploited right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.